do not know what the osprey was doing on the nest. It could have been feeding babies, it could have been cleaning, who knows. But she's there. Now you're going to get 3 action shots of green herons. I'm not sure why it does that, but sometimes it just kind of puffs itself up. Could be because it's digesting, could be display, who knows. Anyway, so that's your first action shot. And then the next 2 action shots are green herons are why they invented the word stealthy. They just have that classic stealthy walk when they out hunting. And we end with a distant shot of a cormorant flying past a flock of swans.